Hi friends, it's me, Mrs. Simmons-Machota, and today I'm here to talk to you about how to complete your 61-point summative that is in a HyperDoc. A HyperDoc is just short for a document that has hyperlinks inside. These are just reminders up here for you that any external documents that you're opening, you're going to need to link into your Google Classroom assignment. Our essential questions are here in case you forgot. As you're working, you're going to work in sequential order, so starting at the top, moving down to the bottom, and you're going to be putting in the date complete. You can also notice that I've put in the point total so you know how you're getting the 61 points. So the first thing you're going to start with is this engage question. You're going to read this, then you're going to click on this first hyperlink. Click that blue link. It's going to open up this window. You're going to answer these two questions and hit submit. You're going to come back to your HyperDoc and mark your date complete. It's that easy. Move down here to explore, read the directions, click on the blue hyperlink. For this one, it's going to ask you to make a copy, so you're going to click on that blue hyperlink. It's going to populate then and move into your Google Drive. I have a bunch of hyperlinks inside of here for you to learn and find out and just kind of explore about this wonderful woman's life. Then you are going to answer the questions right here. There's 3 of them. Once you're done, this is one of the documents that needs to get uploaded into Google Classroom, so make sure it is in your Drive and you upload it. When you're done with that, you're going to mark that complete, come down to explain, watch this first video clip in YouTube. I've also given you links to your document anchor chart on how people are marginalized, as well as the dream deferred. You're going to be working with the graphic organizer we've been using all unit. The only thing different is here you're going to make a copy. Once again, I've helped you out a little, and I have put in the group of study and the MLA citations for you, but you're just going to come in here and type in your answers just like we've been practicing in class all the way through. You're not going to submit this document until the very end of the activity, you guys. Once you're done with explain, you're going to scroll down. You have News ELA. You see here you're going to hyperlink into News ELA, where you're going to read this article, Building Honors African American Who Put John Glenn in Space. You're going to respond to the right and take the quiz. When you're finished, date complete. You have an explain number 2. You have another video, and you're going to open up that same document that you worked in earlier with the graphic organizer. Mark your complete. Come into Ed Puzzle, do your Ed Puzzle. You already know how to do that. Mark complete. Second News ELA article. This one is kind of fun. It's about how Lego is celebrating NASA female figures. Once again, respond to the right and take the quiz. The last thing is reflection. It's each box is going to be worth 4 points here for 12 points total. You're going to answer each of these bold questions. We've been practicing these in class too. Be sure that you are extremely reflective and using evidence. Remember, you're going to race your response here. Remember to restate, answer, cite, and explain your thinking. You're going to attach this document, your graphic organizer, to the Google assignment and submit that. Mark your date complete. The last thing, I gave you some extra credit. It's right here. It's a Flipgrid. Enter the Flipgrid. Click here is the hyperlink to the Flipgrid. You're going to respond to the 3 questions. So you're kind of use this as your script, and you're just going to make a video on what you answered here. Date complete, and you get 5 bonus points for that. I hope this helps you get ready for your summative. Remember, you can rewind and rewatch this video if you get confused over the next couple days while you're working on it. Great job, and I know you guys will be awesome. Continue to be amazing.